welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because it is finally here. The December/January Tribe Beauty Box. Yes, the post office lost the box, but she has been found. She is here and we will be unboxing today. I am super excited. This is only my second Tribe Beauty Box subscription that I've unboxed on our channel. This is a bi-monthly subscription. I'll get into all the deets here in a second, but if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, chit-chat, and have a good old time. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes, I do have the brand new Alter Ego palette. You guys, this is a dupe for the Natasha Denona bronze palette. If you want a very affordable but yet luxurious feeling palette for $14.40, go to shopalterego.com, use code HOTMESS. You can save 10% over there. On my lips, I do have the Gerard Cosmetics. This is Between the Sheets lipstick. Absolutely love this. I do have the Real Her lip liner on paired with this. It's in the shade I Am Confident. It came from a Boxycharm box. And then on my lips, the glossiness that you see is the Tower 28 lip gloss in the shade Fire. Very, very comfortable. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. They do have a huge sale going on right now. I'm on their website and they have everything from Luxie brushes to Wonder Beauty products, Lash Scoop. They have sanitizers, like so many different items available right now. I even just saw Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base is on sale over there at the Tribe Beauty Box. So if you are already a member of Tribe Beauty Box, you do receive their subscription. Let me know what you picked up, what kind of shopping you have done. Now currently they do have a wait list, and on January 21st, which I'm filming this on January 20th, so it will probably not be up in time for you guys, but January 21st does open up when you can make your choices over for the February box. And there's spoilers for February. Oh my gosh, it's the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, and then it looks like the other one is like a beauty blender or something, but you guys know I would be all about the lotion in 1.2 seconds. So January 21st, if you're already a member, I'll try and remember to like put in our community section, if you're a member to Tribe Beauty Box, to get in there, make your choices. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34.99. I do believe I have a coupon code. I will list it down below for you guys. It is an affiliate code, so thank you guys in advance if you do use my link below to sign up. And also, if you do go ahead and prepay, it looks like 3 boxes, 6 boxes or more, it is less. And they do have something, again, I'm playing on their website, that you can buy now, pay later is available at checkout. So that's fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this bag. So what do we have here? Oh my goodness, check it out. So it does come with a card letting you know the information about everything you are receiving. Again, this is the December 2020 box. This is no fault of Tribe Beauty Box. This is 100% the US Postal Service. I've got a couple things that I'm still waiting on. One from Amazon, one from a wellness company. So it's been lost, but it'll be fine. Okay, so these are full-size products that you will be receiving in here. The first item is by Poppy Cosmetics. It's a pressed pigment palette. Look how pretty this is. Just like, oh, I love pink, guys. I think pink and yellow together is just so pretty. And here are the colors it looks like on the back. Let's open her up. Nice, like cardboard type of packaging. It's got like, ooh, so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is fun colors, guys. There is a mirror in here as well. Let's read up. So this Poppy Cosmetics Neon Dip palette does have a retail value of $29. Create the perfect bold glam looks with mattes and shimmers from the Neon Dip palette. These 12 vibrant and super blendable pressed pigments will make you look hotter than ever. I have to touch them. Look at this. Okay, let's do this one. This purpley shade. Ooh, that's so gorgeous. I'm gonna go down here. I am only swatching the shimmers because they're so pretty. Okay, let's do this one up here. Oh, good heavens. Okay, let's swatch. Oh, wow, they even... That is so pretty. Oh. Are these outside of my comfort zone? Absolutely. Like, let's be real. Will I make those work come summertime? 100%. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. This just makes my heart so happy. I mean, I know, weird coming from a girl who's like scared of like bright, vibrant colors, but at the same time, oh, these shades in the summertime when I'm like definitely more tan. I feel like the past like 6 videos, that's all I've talked about is like, I don't have a tan. Meh. Anyhow, I'll get there. It'll happen again. Right now it's winter time or confusion time in Kentucky. So anyways, this palette, absolutely gorgeous, and it does have the retail value of $29. My battery's gonna die. Stop it. Okay, moving right along to the next item in here, and I am shook because this is a very pricey brand that I see in here, Aviant, the Hyaluronic Vitamin C Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Duo Moisturizer. I've seen this in other subscriptions. This is very, very good. A lot of you guys have said anytime you can get your hands on it in add-ons or what have you, you grab it. A little information about this. It has a retail value of $134. Yes, you heard that right, guys. So the price of the box, $34 and change, $34.99. This, $134. Do you guys see why I love subscription boxes? You can't beat that. So this is a Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream with Age Radiance Cream that aims to illuminate your skin and consequently your day. Combining the signature ingredients of hyaluronic acid, seawater, jojoba oil, and soy leche, this moisturizer is designed to intensify the illumination of your skin. Not mad about that. That makes me so happy. The next item in here is a pencil. This looks like it's the Perfect Eye Pencil Crayon, and it is in the shade Nut Blush, and it's really pretty looking. Let's see if I can... It has a built-in sharpener too, which I absolutely love that. Come on, muscles. Oh, dang it, I broke it. Shoot. Oh my lord. Okay, I'm just like breaking everything. Okay, so let's go ahead. Ooh, this is nice. This is like a deep chocolatey type of brown, but it's got like a really nice smooth like gel to it. Ooh, I like that. That has a retail value of, let's see here. It's actually called Iman Cosmetics. It's the Perfect Pencil and Nut Brush. It is a retail value of $10. Line and define your eyes with this brown liner and achieve a softer look, which is true. I mean, if you wear like a black liner, it's gonna be a bit more harsh. They say to do like brown and it'll be like softer and everything. This is really pretty. The next item in here is Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. This is 90210. What? Oh my gosh. This is the Sola by Sola Look. It has a retail value of $14. Oh my gosh, look at that. It literally says Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. Oh my god, the love triangle of the 90s. Am I right? Oh, we have to swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is so like a Kelly Taylor color for sure, and Brenda, like for sure. Like, oh my gosh, that's like really, it was like really soft. It's almost like a lip oil or something. Is that what I read? It's a liquid matte lipstick, smudge proof, non-tacky, long wear. The shade is in deep true red with full coverage. Yeah, that's, again,
hot. I'm fine. Like, if are you filming?
yes.
Never mind. But if I was a guy.
Okay, Hillary. Okay. Oh my lord. You just never know what's gonna come out of her mouth. Anywho, that is the shade. Very, very pretty. Sorry guys, my battery died and then my girls came home. And let's go ahead and move on to the next and last item. This is by The Balm Down Boy Shadow Blush. Again, full size. Oh, that's pretty. I feel like this would look really pretty on Hailey. Hailey, are you standing there? You want to come in here? Can you see it?
What is it?
Did your hair flip?
Yeah. You see, I'm looking for like a bright coral one. I want to look like I'm like a little sunburnt.
Oh, yeah. That's really pretty though. Okay, so little information about this. It does have a retail value of $21. It's sweet pink shadow and blush. Features light reflecting particles for an aura of elegance without detectable shimmer. Formulated with finely grated powder. So again, really pretty, and like it says, you can use it on your eyes or on, you know, your cheeks. Really pretty color, but it's a little, I feel like a little too light for me. Overall, guys, for $34.99, I think this was a great box. I'm super excited to see what the February box is. You guys can get on the wait list now if you guys are interested in picking up the Try Beauty box. My camera's crooked. Okay, it's kind of chaotic here. Hailey was literally just dancing behind the camera. So, I guess that means she's got enough energy to film our Ipsy versus Ipsy. Okay guys, I'm hopping off for now. Don't forget to check out Hailey's channel. She does unboxings as well, get ready with me's, all kinds of stuff, and she's hopping in.
So, I look a little ugly.
Stop. Gorgeous.
Sorry, I'm beautiful, wonderful, amazing, immaculate, one of a kind, extraordinary, and so are you. Anyways, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting all of January, but I'm working on mental health, physical health, job. Hey. My sister's outfit's really cute. That's all. So this is the pants, you know. This is the shirt that I have on.
Anyways, guys, don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.
Hi.